What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. Guys, we are going to talk about Humbl. That's right, ticker symbol HMBL. This is a stock that I've been talking about since December on this channel. We have been talking about this for a little over 6 months now, and I currently have 500 shares total in this company. I am truly happy with this one, man. I'm super excited about the future of where Humbl's going to go with its digital assets and its marketing and everything they do. And we got an interview today that was done by Brian Foote on making money with Charles Payne. So we're going to watch that. That was an interview done on Fox Business. If you did not catch that one out, it is a good interview. It is pretty amazing to listen to Brian. So we're going to go in, watch that interview, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about what he said during that interview. So guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit the thumbs up, join the thumbs up nation. Guys, and let's get to that interview.
Folks, it's being called the unicorn of all unicorns, Humbl. It's a digital payment service and it's taking the investment world by storm, looping in both the Reddit and crypto crowds. And now, well, Wall Street is taking notice. The company CEO, Brian Foote, joins me now. And Brian, let's just start off. Tell us a little bit about what Humbl does that other digital payment services don't.
Hi, Charles. Nice to be with you. Yeah, so we're a platform, not just a payment services company. So average customer right now has about 60 to 90 applications on their phone. So we're trying to package up a more intelligent swipe left, swipe right continuum for people to be able to buy, sell, trade, invest, and pay from one modular application. So we think we have a really strong opportunity there to package up the next generation of the web.
All right, so one area that you're a big player in already are these NFTs. I want you to talk a little bit about your unique approach to this and how you're talking about monetizing things like they've never been monetized before, whether it's in the existing NFT structure or catalogs and things like that.
Yeah, I see you have our slide up. Thank you so much for that. We have this structure that we've built out where we think folks are going to be able to engage with asset tokenization on blockchain, meaning the ability to buy a ticket, commemorate that ticket as an NFT, trade it with someone on a secondary marketplace. So blockchain opens up these really exciting new asset classes that Humbl intends to package up for the customer.
Where are you with respect? I listened to your call, your 5th shareholder call. I found it to be very intriguing. I learned a lot about it, but you have an aggressive, very aggressive plan. Essentially you want to conquer the world, and you're looking at 3 specific areas. Where are you with respect to achieving it so far?
Yeah, well, we're in about our 6th month as a public business. We just announced this morning that we've acquired a ticketing company, Tickery, that has a great footprint in Latin America and the Caribbean corridor. So we're going to start small, win in very tactical zones like peer-to-peer remittances, buy crypto, earn interest, and then gravitate towards other markets through distribution partners that can help us on the ground there. So while our technologies may be expansive in what they can serve for customers around the world, we intend to move very methodically in terms of our rollout plans.
Most reviews I've read sort of said, hey, you're compared to the PayPal, of course, digital wallets, but you say you want to sort of be the Amazon of digital assets. So explain that again. It's so intriguing, and it seems like this vertical growth opportunities for you are almost unlimited.
Thank you. Yeah, so what we did was we're students of history. So we went back and studied the FANG stocks from Wave 1, some of the Web 2 companies, what they did to package up really material step functions in human technology. And that's what we're trying to do with blockchain tokenization of assets, which can apply to anything like payments, ticketing, NFTs, or some of our leading investment products that are available across active, thematic, or index strategies for our customers.
Right.
So blockchain tokenization offers this sort of panacea of things that you can do with it, and we want to just tighten that up and package it into this swipe left, swipe right continuum for people to be able to experience that technology, because it is so new and it can be very intimidating. But what Humbl is doing is sitting over the top of those technology innovations and packaging them up for the customer, not unlike what Netflix did with content or Amazon did with e-commerce.
Brian, I just got less than a minute, but I got to ask you about this. You have an enormous following, People believe you're going to achieve this. Your stock rallied 1,000% right out the gate this year. It's pulled back. I guess shorts have piled on. I mean, you know, you're carrying a lot of weight on your shoulders. What do you want to say to these shareholders who believe in you and they put everything into this?
Yes, yeah, we are. I sit about at night, you know, looking at the ceiling, nervous about executing for everybody. But we have a great team around us. We're well capitalized. We're achieving some M&A goals that will help us grow faster. And we take it very seriously. We want to win for people and our shareholders with whom we have a very direct relationship and to whom we represent very seriously. So, yeah, we're keen to get this thing done, and we're going to come to work every day until we do.
Well, the stock went up 1,000%. You didn't sell any of your own shares. I know you're committed to this. I hope you come back as you continue to grow. Congratulations, and we'll talk to you again real soon, Brian.
Thank you, Charles. I appreciate it. Nice to see you.
All right, guys, how do you feel after hearing that interview with Brian Foote, man, the CEO? He says we are going to be the Amazon of the digital assets. That is truly phenomenal. One thing I do like as well, as you heard there again when Charles said about him, all your shareholders and everything, how are you, going to relay your message to all your shareholders, the people that's been following you? And what did he say? He's going to come to work every day until the job is done. And if you go here to Brian Foote's Twitter page, right here, CEO of Humbl, UCLA Bruins, no days off. Right there it is, man. This man is committed. That's what I'm saying right there. This man is truly committed to Humbl and to his shareholders and to the stock. Has it right there, no days off. And I tell you what, I believe in Brian Foote. The man is very transparent. And currently, I do have 500 shares of Humbl that I have in my Fidelity account. Unfortunately, right now, you cannot purchase this on Robinhood. But you can get this on Fidelity. That is where I have my shares at. This could be one that I look to grab a little bit more of, why it's down here under this $1.50 range. Crazy enough, little backstory in this. I was buying this back in December for like 10 cents, guys, 10 and 20 cents. If you guys are interested, I could go and ship. Well, they did a stock split just not long ago. They did a 4-to-1 stock split. So I did have 1,600 shares of Humbl back when it was TSNP. And then they did the 4-to-1 split. So my 1,600 shares got down to 400 shares. And the stock price did, they upped it by 4. And I did buy 100 shares since then. So I'm back up to 500 shares because they're trying to get their share price up so they can get listed on the NASDAQ. So that would be something future down the road as well they're looking to get. So I'll tell you what, I just wanted to come back and touch base on this one. I'm super excited about it, hearing that interview with Brian. And guys, that's something we wanted to see. Humbl getting on like TV, man, getting some airtime. And you can see the stock was rallying when Brian was talking. People was buying it up. So I have no intention of getting her. This is kind of when I did my videos back in like December, January, February on this. This is what you call the retirement stock, man. You buy this, you let it set and let it develop just like Amazon did, just like Google did, just like Netflix did. This is going to take some years to develop, but once it pays off, we're all going to be setting pretty good. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a comment down below and hit that thumbs up. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, guys. Peace.